Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to delete multiple files again using the Glob module, which you'll have to import into Python up here, and also you'll have to install it on your system using pip. Okay, I've already done another video like this yesterday. This is going to be roughly the same video but a slightly different twist on it, a slightly different way of doing things. And it's probably a better way. So we're going to start off. First of all, what I've done here is I put path to my files here on my desktop. So I've got a folder called test. In there I'm going to put some files, and then I've used OS change directory to that path. Now your user path is going to be different to this, so you're going to have to find your own unique user path. Okay, let's go into the folder called test, which is here, and let's populate it. So we're going to put a text file in, and we're going to put in a docx file there, and we're also going to put in a presentation file there. Okay, so we've got those three files there. Let's just close that, and let's just create a function here called del multi files, literally delete multiple files. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a variable here called formats. I'm going to put the formats that I want to delete in. So that's going to be .txt, and that's going to be .docx. That one is going to be .pptx, so that's the PowerPoint presentation there. Right, so we're going to loop over them in that directory for file formats. I'm going to say in formats. So we're going to loop over those. I'm going to create a variable called delete files. I'm going to assign it to glob.glob. Then we're going to format the string asterisk file format. Okay. Then we're going to use os.remove. Oops, I made a little bit of a mistake there. Jumped the gun. So that should be for f in delete files os dot remove f. Then we're going to print, and we're going to format the string removed. I'm going to interpolate this into it, the f. That'll tell us the file that we've removed. And all we're going to do is we're simply going to call the program del multi files. delete multiple files. Let's just save it. Let's run the program. Okay, so it's told us we've removed these files here. Let's go and see if it has. And there you go, they're gone. So, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that. Remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Give it a thumbs up and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.